everyone, this is your instructor Shishti Thakur, and today we will be solving a quick question on weight conversion. The question is, an Earthling's weight on Mars is 37.8% of their weight on Earth. Write a Python program that prompts the user to enter their weight on Earth and print their calculated weight on Mars. So you'd be knowing that whenever an object is sent from Earth to Mars, its weight decreases just because the gravity on Mars is much lower than that of Earth. So the exact value of the gravity change is 37.8%. So that would be the conversion factor we'll be using in our Python program. And what we are required to do in our program is we are required to take a user input, that is the weight, and then we are required to convert that into the weight on Mars. So to make this happen, what we are going to do is we are going to take the input and we are going to next convert it from string to float. So we'll be converting it just because it is a string value, it's a word that's coming as a user input, and then we'll be multiplying it with a conversion factor, that is the Mars multiple, that is here 0.378, and then we'll be printing the multiplication result, that is the exact weight on Mars. So only that is to be done over here. It's not a complex problem, so you'd be able to ace it very easily. And let's start. Let us start solving the question. And yes, so I am taking a Mars multiple variable, that is equals to 0.378, that was the percentage. Next we would be defining the main function, and Earth weight str is equals to input enter weight on Earth. Next, so I am pressing tab over here as I am already getting the right suggestions. So we are converting the Earth weight to float type with the help of this typecasting operation. So this is how we convert the string input to float type, and next we are multiplying it with the Mars multiple, that was our 0.378, and then what we are going to do is we would be printing this. Easy peasy. The equivalent weight on Mars is plus str Mars weight. Next, if name equal to main, then print main. Let's see if it runs. If main was okay, I'm not making it as a function. So yeah, we need to take care of that. So first we have done what? Mars multiple, okay, 0.378, and then we are defining the main function, and then we are taking the input. and we are converting the input. Then the Mars weight is Earth weight into Mars multiple. Then we are printing this weight. Okay, 0.378. And Earth weight is this. Okay, so there is an indentation error that we are facing. Okay, so now it's solved. Always take care of this, then that your indentation in Python program is correct or not. Whenever there is some blank space in the function, you need to have that while declaring that function. So that was the error we were facing, and that's very common. So please take care of that. Next is our weight on Earth. So if my weight on Earth is 120, then my weight on Mars is 45.36. Next, if my weight on Earth is, let's say, 66, then my equivalent weight on Mars is 24.948. So yes, this is it. Thank you so much. And if you got any questions, you can DM me on my LinkedIn or anywhere. Thank you.